Hello, beautiful. I'm so excited to be here with you. By the way, I'm Cody. If you're new here, interested in and having the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin of your life, I talk about skincare reviews. I talk about acne, pigmentation, all things skin related. So if that's of interest, I would love you to subscribe and stay here. I would feel honored. And to all of you that have been here with me for a minute, thank you for still being here with me. I just love you. Today, I'm so excited to finally talk to you about my new mask. A lot of you have already purchased it. Some of you may have not. Some of you may have seen it on Instagram or have seen other people using it. And you might be wondering, what is this? Why is it $80? So I wanted to talk about it today. And you can see my skin, I have nothing on it. Don't judge too much, okay? But I'm gonna be 44 and I feel pretty good with where I'm at. I do have a little Botox and right now my skin is feeling dry and tight today, but I am going to use the mask now and then talk about it a little bit and talk about why I think it's going to be really life-changing for you, why it's been life-changing for our customers. I mean, people are obsessed with this. This has become way more than I ever thought it would be. I'll be honest. I created this product for me and my clients in the back bar. That's what this is for. It's a professional grade product. It helps me to flood the skin with massive amounts of hydration instantly so that I can treat people that aren't taking care of their skin that day and be able to be safe with their skin by flooding their skin with so much hydration and nutrients that it's able to tolerate the active ingredients that I use for a chemical peel. Or if somebody is not taking care of their skin and they come in and they're new, their skin is just going to be weaker and lazier and it's not going to be as tolerant. So this helps me to keep going with the services, as well as if something is to happen during the service, like a heat spot or too much inflammation or too much redness or sensitivity with the client, this is what we use to fix that instantly in the moment so that a client is more tolerant, more hydrated, and happier and able to receive a chemical peel the day of. It's just become remarkable. The feedback of people has been mind-blowing. I don't want to sit here and make these ridiculous claims, but we've had people even with long-term eczema and psoriasis benefit from this, improving it, making it feel more calm and soothed. It's hydrating the skin at the deepest levels possible so that it stays hydrated and plump. The more that you use it, the longer that you use it, the less that you'll actually need in the long run and the less other products you'll need, because it's literally repairing the dehydration in the skin, not only on the surface, but below the surface. I put everything in here, girl. I am very big on ingredients. I refuse to put an ingredient in a formula because it's trendy, because everyone is talking about it. It needs to be backed by research, long-term studies, or just long-term use of an ingredient that is beneficial and proven to be beneficial to the skin. You can use a pea-sized amount or more, depending on your needs and concerns, or you can use less than a pea-sized amount every day as your new amazing hydration serum, girl, because I always want to give you more than you ask for. So it's like a twofer, girl. It is not only a mask, but it's also a serum and a primer. So you can use this as a makeup primer, and you can use it daily as a hydration serum that's going to instantly plump your skin. Or maybe you use too much actives like retin A, benzoyl peroxide, or some type of acne product, or you just overdid something and you want to like soothe your skin and heal it and make it feel really calm and hydrated and plump. This product is amazing for that. This is 10 years in the making, okay? I wanted this mask for 10 years now. But I honestly didn't feel like I could add any value to the marketplace because I just felt like there were enough masks out there, and Jesus, do we need another mask? My God. And there's so many of them, and most of them are, forgive me, rubbish. You don't need them. A lot of them are the same ingredients, girl. So, and then there's a couple I've talked about that I like the Clinique Moisture Surge. And so what I did over the last 10 years after buying hundreds and using hundreds and hundreds of masks, both professionally and personally, is like, okay, if I could put, these 10 things in this mask and really have this mask be more like a healing mask, something that really transforms the skin and the dryness and the dehydration, then I'll do it. But honestly, it took a really long time to get right because it's not only about ingredients, it's about how it absorbs, it's how it sits on the skin, and is it really penetrating the deeper layers of that skin so that you're not just temporarily hydrated, right? We don't want temporary results. We want sustainable results. We want long-term benefits. And so here she is. It is my Extreme Hydration Repair Mask. And I put oatmeal in here. As you know, I love oatmeal. And so I was like, can we put oatmeal in that mask, girl? The people at the lab, the scientists there were like, well, we can try, you know? So I put oatmeal in here, girl, because, you know, if you've been here a minute, I'm obsessed with oatmeal for the skin. It's one of the best things you can put on your skin. I put a lot of peptides in here, like 8 different peptides, like oligopeptide, so that you're really getting that elasticity. I also put green tea in there because it's such a proven and powerful antioxidant that helps to strengthen the skin and just help you to be able to have stronger skin, so that when you're in the environment or in UV light, that your skin isn't so like kind of lazy and weak. It is stronger and it's robust. I also put aloe vera in here because aloe vera is such a powerful healing plant. It's so amazing for the skin. And noni, because I'm from Hawaii, noni, it's a fruit that is very popular on the islands, or the Polynesian islands. And it's a powerful antioxidant. It's very soothing and healing to the skin, and a lot of people will drink it. So I put that in here, and I also put cucumber in here to just calm the skin, hydrate the skin. It does have a light cucumber aroma to it, so it has that kind of spa. I actually wish you could really like smell it if you haven't tried it. It's just so delicious. I'm actually gonna apply this to my skin right now. Oh my God, it's cool, so right away it just feels yummy on the skin. Oh, it just smells so yummy. It's the perfect amount of cucumber, so it's not overbearing or overpowering, and it's not like going to cause any sensitivities or anything. And then I put hyaluronic in here so that you're getting that hydration in the deeper layers of the skin. And then ceramides, I put a little dimethicone for slip and glide, so that the product doesn't just sit on the skin, but it actually absorbs into the skin. And then the dimethicone will kind of trap that hydration and all of these peptides and skin loving ingredients deeper into the skin. Oh, it just feels so amazing. So I just put a pea-sized amount more. So when I say pea-sized amount, it's because I don't want you to waste the product, and it's very concentrated. So I'm just putting a little dash more on my skin, and I kind of just like to go in a circular motion like this. And then I'm gonna press a little bit more here on the forehead where my skin is just feeling a little dehydrated. So already it just feels amazing. I'm just so excited, if you have not tried this mask, for you to try it. It is, I really think, my most favorite product I've ever created, because I just have wanted one so bad, and it just took such a long time to perfect, because the hardest part was like the texture of it, and then also the feel of it when it's on the skin. I wanted it to feel a little bit more slippery and not tacky and not sticky. And so the cool thing about this is you can use this every day as a hydration serum. So use less than a pea-sized amount and put that on first, either on damp skin, or put it on after you've cleansed and exfoliated. It would be the first thing that you put on, or put it on before makeup as a makeup primer, and then you would follow the rest of your routine. You can use more than a pea-sized amount and apply it like a mask, applying more in the bad areas, or the areas that you want more plumping and more hydration. And then you can just massage it in, or if you prefer to rinse, you can. And it also does come with an instruction card, because I was a little vague on the instructions on here. And so I created a little instruction card for you, just so that you would have more clarity. Because wouldn't you know, I can't shut the hell up. I talk too much, but then and even in my instructions and posts, I'm usually rambling on. But on here, for the first time ever, I like said so little, and people are like, do I leave it on? Do I rinse it off? So you can leave it on. You don't have to rinse it off unless you want to, but we'll put this on and like go to bed and then wake up in the morning, and girl, your skin is like butter and like velvet. It feels so yummy. And already I feel like you can just tell the difference of redness, or am I just delusional and trying to sell the mask to myself again? But like, I just feel already a lack of minimization of the redness already. I think you can see that. Maybe I'm just delusional, but that's what it's for. Like, we'll put it on somebody who may have just too much inflammation with a chemical peel, and it mops up that inflammation and that heat like almost instantly. In fact, we've had a couple issues where it works and heals the skin so good and too quickly that you can't use much of this when you get a chemical peel from us, because we've had a couple people now where that's what they were using and they were like, I didn't really peel. I'm like, okay, girl, well, you paid for a peel, so we need to have you come back in. So if you are a person that's getting like laser resurfacing or a chemical peel, you could definitely use it. Just don't overuse it, because the aloe and the ceramides and the peptides in here will really heal the skin very quickly and then not cause the skin to exfoliate. Just saying. So feel free to look below for more information. If you have any questions, you can always reach out or ask them below. And I'm just so honored and grateful that you're allowing me to continue to create products for you. I'm so grateful and blessed to hear your feedback on this product. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for, I guess, just making me feel that I was on the right page with creating this, because I wasn't, I wasn't sure. I was like kind of thinking like, well, we're going to have a lot of masks in the office to use. And what we did was we tested this for 6 months on clients. Then we tested it for another 4 months, just selling it to them, waiting to hear their feedback. So we've had this since last summer in our office, and waited until now to talk about it, because I wanted to hear the feedback and not share feedback that's just from my own experience, but to hear the feedback from hundreds of clients that are like, oh my God, this stuff is amazing. I have to have it, whatever. So that's what I'm always trying to share with you, is that any type of claim or benefit, even though I hate saying that, isn't from me and what I think is amazing to say so that you buy it. It's from people and our clients who have used it, who are sharing those testimonies and the benefits with us. So excited for you to try this. It is so unique and amazing, and I just love it so much. I literally cannot live without this. So anyway, guys, thank you for listening to me ramble on and on. I love you so much. I hope that you're well. I hope that you're staying happy. I hope that you're enjoying 2022 as best as possible. And I hope that you're continuing to spread love and positivity in your own life and also into the world for all of the people that are going through a lot of craziness in Europe right now. Our hearts are with you. We love you. We support you. We want you to be safe. We want you to be healthy. We want you to have the freedoms that we all want and have. So my heart goes out to Ukraine. My heart goes out to all the people in Europe who are helping support the beautiful people in Ukraine, with like Poland, having them come over the border. God bless you all. I am so grateful to see people step it up in the ways that matter most when times are difficult or challenging for other people. So never forget how freaking amazing you are, and how freaking amazing it is to be a human being, to love and to support and to encourage people to their greatest levels of happiness and success and health. I love you, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.